Okay, I boiled about 5 minutes and drain it. For lamb's quarter, we like to eat it with butter and salt. Get all the water out, and I will probably squeeze it a little bit and put it in the dish. I cut lamb's quarter into eating size. Put all this in the bowl. I squeezed the water out as much as I could. Also, here's some butter. Put that in. Mix it a little bit. Buttermilk and some salt. Okay. Let's serve some into the dish. All right. Okay, let me try it. See how it tastes like. It is very tasty with the rich flavor of butter and simple salt. We can taste the leaves nicely too. I hope you will try it when you find lamb's quarter at the farmer's market.